welcome back to the channel. This is gonna be kind of like a DIY vlog. We're redoing the bathroom. Just because it's been looking ratchet. We're trying to get the house together and everything like that. So if you see any ratchetness in the background, that's life. I'm sorry. But no, I went to the store and purchased a few little things. So probably over the next 2 days, we're gonna be redoing the bathroom. We've been cleaning it. I started spot cleaning some of it yesterday. But we're trying to like clean up all the little details and stuff around here. Because these are older apartments that we live in. So some of this stuff is like from beforehand. But I'm going to show you the bathroom real quick. It's looking a little ratchet. But please don't judge because ain't nobody got time. Okay, people live in certain houses or whatever and stuff. And things are old. And but we're trying to get it together. We're spring cleaning early. But yeah, so we're cleaning all this stuff up. Getting everything changed out. But all this will look different a little bit, but this is the before and it will have an after. But yeah, we're changing up the bathroom. I have my friend, she's gonna be coming to stay with me, and I want her also to be comfortable while she's here, because she's breakers. So but also that's not the only reason why we're doing it. It's just because we've been said we wanted to change things up, that's so true, wanted to do things a little bit different, and we always like to change out stuff in our apartment. Sorry if I made like a face. I did legs this week, and my legs are still hurting. But let me turn the light, and I'll show you kind of some of what I got. Two things I already changed out in the bathroom. It was like a little soap dispenser and a, what is that called? Oh, sorry, like I said, I got to sit down real slow. My hamstrings hurt. And a toothbrush holder. But I'll show you all that once it's done. I wanted to show you real quick the before because my shower and my bathroom was looking ratchet. But everything so far I got from Walmart today. I got a medium weight shower liner. I got in white. I wanted white just because if I got clear, you know, if you have a guest and stuff like that and somebody accidentally walks in, you don't want them to see. But this will be the liner that goes on the inside of the shower. I think that was like $5. Then I got this shower curtain. It's got like these black and white tree kind of design. I really like that. I think this one was like less than $10 or something like that, like 5 to 10. Then I got this mesh pocket shower organizer. I know I've been wanting one of these. I would like one of those shower curtains that have like the whole shower curtain is an organizer, but this will do. So I don't know if I'm gonna put this on the outside or the inside. I might put this on the outside, like towards the back, where we don't really move the curtain that often. But I got those 3 things, and like I said, a new soap dispenser, a new toothbrush holder, and I also got this right here. I think was the most expensive thing I got. Sorry, y'all, it's heavy. I'm gonna show it to y'all. And I got this Better Home and Gardens little double shower shelf kind of thing. So we're gonna put this up because the shelving that we have in the bathroom, it's okay, but we want something a little bit better and more nicer and looking. And I think this is, they call it like a brushed nickel finish or something like that. But yeah, it's got 2 shelves, and then you can hang like those little puffs and things and stuff. But they have a couple of these, so I guess you can hang stuff and then towels and everything. But that way there's not so much over the toilet and everything like that. So that's what we're going to do with this. Oh, and I picked this up because I saw it the last time I went grocery shopping. And your girl's craving pizza right now. I'm not really a huge pizza fan. But yeah, I definitely saw this and wanted this. So this is what I'm craving. It's my time of the month. I deserve to get what I want when it's that time. So I'm about to pop this in the oven and wait for it. So yeah. Okay, y'all, it's the next day. We finally finished up the bathroom. So I'm about to do the reveal so y'all can see what it looks like. And the whole, I guess, DIY was like $108 and I think like 29 cents or some change like that or whatever. So it didn't really cost much to do all this. So we're going to start. We got one of our little bins over here. I got the soap dispenser, the toothbrush, and everything's all cleaned off. The mirrors are here. What's up? This is our new rack right here, and you can hang like stuff on the little sides right here. And more of those. Toilet's all clean. I'm probably gonna replace this to black as well too, but it's gray for right now. And we got a new bath mat. Okay, we've been needing one, and I love the whole black and white shower curtain. I'm gonna try to stand back as much as possible so you can kind of see how everything looks. But yeah, it's more simple. When we took the rack out of here, I put the rack in my closet and used it for organization there. But yeah, we just got our baby wipes. I use these sprays that I don't really care for that much as basically bathroom sprays. And then I have facial products and stuff like that up there. Anything for like doing your face, whether it's day or night. Cotton balls, cotton rounds, kind of stuff like that. And hair stuff. And then back here, I got some like facial things, like tools and stuff like that, you know. And I even found this also at Walmart too. So we got all of our little shampoo, facial wash stuff, and like hair stuff. And then this is just eucalyptus spray that you spray into the air to kind of cause that like steam effect. And that's really it. There's nothing else in the shower itself. It's all clean and everything like that. But yeah, that's it. And of course, this air is clean. I swept and mopped in here to the best of my abilities, you know. But it's a lot cleaner. And then, of course, underneath the sink is organized to an extent. I put my fiance stuff here. That is my shaving spray. But all this stuff has been organized and everything like that. But it's nothing like really special. But yeah, I hope y'all enjoyed the DIY. There's not really anything crazy to it. I know that this is like 44 something in the bath section at Walmart. I was surprised when I found this. So this is something new I haven't seen before. These soap and toothbrush dispensers are, what is it? They're like matte black with the white, what is it? The white font and stuff like that. These were like, I think like that was $6. And then this one I think was like $4. And then they also have like, if you do hand soaps and stuff like that, they have one like that. The mat was like, I think $9. And then this was, I think, about $4 or $10. And I didn't, okay. But then the second plastic lining right here that I picked up, I think this one was like $5 or something like that, or a little bit more. Because it's a thicker lining versus like the really, really thin ones. And then this, I think, was like $7 or $8. And I found that just kind of hanging on the side in the aisles. I don't remember if it was in the bath section specifically or if it was like in the next section after that. But yeah, everything I spent, the most expensive item was just this rack right here. But yeah, and you actually have to put it into the wall and everything like that. It's not something you just put up on hooks. But other than that, I mean, it was basically a good like quick DIY under $100, basically kind of concept. Just to spruce everything up and get everything changed. But it feels a lot lighter and brighter in here, and I really enjoy the black and white whole DIY concept. But yeah, if y'all like this and y'all want to see more, go ahead and stay tuned, like and subscribe and comment. If you have any questions or want to know where stuff's at, hopefully I went through everything. Oh, and I got one of these new bars from Walmart as well too. So if you have any questions, just let me know down in the comment section, and I'll see y'all next time.